Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing instructional strategies, the techniques and methods used by educators to facilitate effective learning. Instructional strategies are designed to engage and support learners, while also promoting critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Some common strategies include direct instruction, where the teacher leads the learning process and presents information to the students. Inquiry-based learning, where students are encouraged to ask questions and explore topics on their own. Cooperative learning, where students work in groups to complete tasks and solve problems. Project-based learning, where students work on long-term projects that require research, planning, and collaboration. Problem-based learning, where students are presented with a real-world problem and must work together to find a solution. Each of these strategies has its own benefits and challenges, and it's important for educators to choose the right strategy for their students and learning objectives. By using effective instructional strategies, educators can create a dynamic and engaging learning environment that fosters curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new today.